Candace, you almost died.
I could have died. Women die from what I had.
3 days. That's all it took for the Real Housewives of Potomac and season 4 Traitors star Candiace Dillard Bassett to go from new mom to fighting for her life. She did everything right. IVF pregnancy, weekly monitoring. She was even leg pressing double her body weight just a few days before delivery. She had a beautiful vaginal birth, but then within just 1 week, Candace was on the floor in excruciating pain, having fevers and hardly able to move. She had a postpartum blood clot. She describes it as being a clot in her left ovary, likely a postpartum ovarian venous thrombosis. I'm Dr. Frita, and I'm going to explain the dangers of postpartum blood clots. I'll tell you who is at risk, and I'll give you the warning signs of postpartum blood clots you should never ignore. In an interview with Carlos King, Candace shared that postpartum, she had a blood clot in her left ovary, likely her left ovarian vein. This can be extremely dangerous, and if you get a blood clot in that left ovarian vein, it could extend into your inferior vena cava, which is that huge vein that can lead to a blood clot in the lungs or a pulmonary embolism, a PE. You are at a higher risk for postpartum blood clots if you are living with being overweight or living with obesity. Also, if you take medications that can increase your risk for blood clots, like hormones, estrogens, and we know that Candace shared that she was giving herself injections with hormones around pregnancy. Long distance travel can put you at risk. Also, being sedentary, if you're just trying to rest and recover after pregnancy. Giving birth to twins, having diabetes, having high blood pressure can put you at risk. Also, being older than the age of 35. Now, here are some warning signs of a postpartum blood clot you should never ignore. Now, when it comes specifically to a blood clot in the ovary, you might get fever, severe pelvic pain. You might even feel a mass or a lump in your pelvis. When it comes to blood clots in the legs, you are likely to get swelling in the legs. There's typically pain. There can be redness. Thankfully, Candace was treated and she seems to be doing well, but she really could have died. And as Carlos King pointed out, Black women are almost 4 times as likely to die around childbirth when compared to other ethnic groups. If you develop any of the postpartum blood clot symptoms I described, contact your doctor immediately or call 911. Please be sure to share this video with the women in your life. And if you enjoy evidence-based medical information like this, be sure to give me a follow.